Most people think affiliate marketing is a quick way to make money online. But what they don't realize is there is a dark side, a side that no one talks about, that could cost you thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to reveal three biggest traps that affiliate marketers fall into. By the end, you will know exactly how to protect yourself while still making money. Let's start with the first one, and third one will going to shock you because rarely people talks about that. So first one is overhyped promises. Affiliate marketing is sold as a get rich quick scheme. Many people jump in affiliate marketing with unrealistic expectation like just to make money overnight. And when they don't see instant result, they lose their trust and they feel demotivated. You will find many so-called gurus who just show their fake screenshot or make very high income claims just to sell their product to attract the people, but in reality they are not actually making that much money, or they have made just one time and showing the screenshot again and again. So you need to be aware. Do not just get attracted by watching these income screenshots. Do the proper research from your side about the person from you are buying the product and about the product also, then buy the product. Now another fake promise that you have definitely seen everywhere, that you are going to make $1,000 in the first 7 days, you can make $5,000 in next 30 days as a complete beginner. I have also seen this fake message everywhere. Now you need to understand that you cannot make that much amount just overnight if you are a complete beginner. Okay, there is no magic. You need to first understand how this business works. You first need to learn all the skills that this business require, and it will going to take you easily 6 to 7 months if you are working consistently, because there are a lot of things that you need to learn, like how to create content to promote your product, where to find the product, funnels, email campaigns. There are a lot of things. And people who are making that much amount in 30 days, 60 days, they have a different background. They are new to affiliate marketing, but they already have those skills. They're already working somewhere. They developed already those skills like content creation. Some of them have already have audience, and they just made $5,000 in 60 90 days. That's possible because that person already have audience. Maybe if a person already good in sales, if that person will going to start affiliate marketing now, then in the next 60 to 90 days that person will going to make good amount of money. But you need to see where you are. If you are a complete beginner, so you need to focus only on learning the skills, because then you will going to make money. If you're just focusing on making money, you will not going to make it. To build a real sustainable business, it will going to take months of effort. Avoid falling from all these hypes and just focusing on learning from the right resources and implementing whatever you are learning. I want to share my experience with you personally. I have also invested in many different affiliate marketing courses and programs where mentor has promised that you will get this much amount, you will make this much amount in 30, 60 or 90 days, but that didn't happen. And later I realized these are their strategies to sell their high ticket program. Then this experience taught me to do the proper research before investing into any program. Now let's talk about the another one, promoting low and bad quality products. So I have seen lot of affiliate marketers promote low and bad quality products just to make more money, but they don't realize is they are making big mistake. I'll tell you how. So in the starting, if you are starting affiliate marketing journey with the low ticket products, then it would be fine, but in the long run it would not be profitable. Once you start getting some initial sales of low ticket, I recommend you to start promoting high ticket product as well, because that will going to pay you big commission. What happened with the low ticket? With the low ticket, let's say you are promoting a product that will going to pay you $5 or $10 on every single sale. Now you need large number of sales, 100 to 100 sales, to make a decent amount of money, to make good amount of money. And for that you will need large number of sales, large number of traffic. You need to put a lot more content, and this will going to lead you burnout pretty fast. Still, you will not be able to achieve your income goals. With the low ticket, it will be very hard for you to make decent amount of money. Now here is another, that is a smart way. You can promote high ticket products that will pay you at least $500 commission on every single sale. Now it would going to take same amount of effort to sell high ticket and low ticket. If you are thinking like that, okay, no, I cannot sell high ticket because it will going to require so much effort, so it will going to take same effort to sell low ticket and high ticket. With the high ticket products, you will able to reach your income goals faster, and it will be easy for you to achieve your income goals. With the high ticket products, you will only going to need 5 to 10, maybe 15 sales to make full-time income, which is easy as compared to 100 200 sales, right? Also, I have seen lot of affiliate marketers promote low quality, bad quality products. If you are also doing that, then stop doing it right away, because you don't know, you are making big mistake. Never ever promote low ticket products, because it will going to harm your image, your brand in the long term. Even if a person buy that low ticket product after trusting you, because that person trusts you and he buy the product because you recommend that product. Now when that person going to use that product, that person would not find it helpful, valuable, and then the trust is broken. Now that person will not going to buy anything from you in the future, because the experience of that person is not good. So affiliate marketing is all about building trust with your audience. If they trust you, they will going to buy anything whatever you are recommending. But if they don't trust you, they will not buy anything from you. By promoting low ticket products, you can lose a customer for lifetime. And with the high ticket product, promoting good quality products, you can make customer for lifetime. So instead of promoting anything and everything, focus on promoting good quality products. Do your proper research, check reviews. If possible, try the product by yourself first, then recommend the product. By recommending only high quality products, you will able to build a reputation who genuinely care about the audience, because very less people do that. All the people just promoting anything and everything, low quality products, whatever, just to make money. Now you can be indifferent from all the crowd. Now let's talk about the third one, which I have experienced so many times in my journey, that is burnout. It's real, guys, and I have seen rarely people talk about it. It doesn't look from the outside, but when you get into affiliate marketing, it can be very overwhelming when you're trying to do everything, all the things at once: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, email, funnels. It can be overwhelming, because when you just started, everything is new for you. You become so excited, you have so much energy, you trying to do everything. Like, I'll do the YouTube also, I'll post on the Instagram also, I'll do the carousel, reels, stories, everything, funnels, emails. You started learning about Facebook ads, Google ads. You're just trying to do everything. That time you do not realize you have to do all these things consistently for at least 5 to 6 months without seeing much result. Yeah, there will be result, but those results are very small. In the starting phase, you will not get so much big result that you will get so much motivated and more inspired. In the starting, you need to put more and more in effort, and with such a big effort, you will see very small result in the starting, and this can lead you to burnout, because it will going to take so much effort. Content creation itself going to take you so much time, so you need to do so much research and scripting, everything. All these things will going to take you so much time, and then this is just the one part of the business. Content creation, generating traffic, is only the one part. Then there are other part of the business also, like funnels, emails, sales process, that you need to work on, that you cannot ignore. And this is where most of the people quit or they get burnout, when they actually started seeing some good result. They feel so exhausted that they will not be able to take any action, even if they are very so close to achieve their income goals. And that's what I don't want it happen with you. I'll first share my experience with you, because it happened with me also. Then I will share with you some ways how you can tackle this kind of situation and do everything you want to do. So there was a time when I was trying to do YouTube, I was trying to do Facebook because I was able to build a good audience on the Facebook. Then I was doing webinars, shorts. In my mind, I wanted to do everything, but in reality, I was not taking that much action because I was feeling so overwhelmed with all the work. And some days I used to work, and some days I was not able to work. And then I realized I am making a big mistake here. So I stopped some of the things that would not giving me much result, and I focused on the only one thing. Then I started seeing some progress. So here are the three ways that can help you to avoid this kind of situation and still you able to do everything. So first you need to learn repurpose your content. So like if you are creating a YouTube video, don't just let it be a YouTube video. You can turn that YouTube video into a newsletter. You can turn that into Instagram carousel, and with that you do not need to create separate content for different platform. Make your focus on the one platform and then repurpose your content on different platform. Like you are creating LinkedIn post, so you can post that post. Like if you are creating content on the LinkedIn, you can use that content in your on the Twitter. Also you can use that as in the emails. So learn how to repurpose your content. Second is learn how to use AI, like tools, chat GPT, copy.ai, and there are scheduling apps that will going to schedule your content to you so that you do not need to manually post on different platform. And if you learn how to use AI, how to create content with the help of AI, that will going to save you so much time and effort. Last, and that is most important, break down your big task into small tasks so that you don't feel exhausted and overwhelmed. Don't make a goal like I'm going to dominate, I'm going to master LinkedIn or any social media platform in 30 days. In the starting, make it like you able to do it consistently. Like it can be like I'm going to post one post every day on the LinkedIn, or I will post one video, two video, whatever going to suit you. So make small goals so that when you achieve those goals, you will feel good about that. And if you're making big goals, you will feel exhausted, you will feel demotivated, and you will not take action. Now that you know the dark side of affiliate marketing, it's time to learn the right strategies that actually work. So in this video I have shared complete affiliate marketing step by step process that I have implemented in my business, and I got the result also. So click here and watch the video.